there are a lot of teenagers who are part of Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, and some of them have grown up to young adults now, but they have been into the PSSM and meditation since their childhood.
They are very, very lucky.
They are very lucky in a way.
You know what is luck? Luck means having a great past life history. That is luck.
That's right.
Your great past life history is transformed into becomes luck in this lifetime.
Correct. Correct.
If there is no great past life history, it becomes lack of luck.
Correct.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.